Everyone, thank you for watching this video. I am going to show you today a little bit about Google Classroom from the student's perspective. And I just want to share with you two main things. One, I want to show you how our Google Classroom is set up. And secondly, I want to show you where you can view all of your students' assignments. So first, I'll show you our classroom. So in order to log on to Google Classroom, your students are going to log in using their Gmail email address and Google password. And then they can just click this classroom icon here. If it's not right here, they might need to scroll down or they might need to Google it if it doesn't appear at all. And they can just type it in and then click Google Classroom, this first one, and it will take them right to here. So these are the two classes that your student has this year. They might have other ones up here from previous years, but these are the ones for this year. So this one obviously is Spanish, and then this one is our Classroom 209. So if they go into this classroom, they can see everything that I post, or this is something from Ms. Loftus, our TA. And so we are working together to give your students everything they need during this distance learning time. Every day I post all of the assignments that are due that day. So this morning I posted a checklist that included Scholastic, which is our ELA, so this is going to be reading and writing, and then Pearson, our math assignments. And then also they will have one science or history assignment. So we're working on science right now. And then also Lexia and IXL. Now, in order to get to these assignments, they can scroll down and they can click the links that I posted that morning. So this one will take you to Scholastic and this one will take you to Pearson. However, they can also click this button up here, Classwork. Everything that I post that day is going to be at the top. But then after that, I move it from the top into different categories. So over here on the side, these are our different sections. And the main two that your students are going to need is ELA and math. So if they click these, it will take them to all of our ELA or math assignments. They can also scroll down to see those. So these are all of the different categories here. I've uploaded videos for science. Here's all of the math, which includes assignments and also some videos to help them. There are several other things here. Our live stream Percy, this is our read aloud. So if your students miss that and they want to catch up and hear what Percy Jackson is doing, they can watch these videos. Also, I have posted links. And so they can view these links. This is to Lexia, IXL, Prodigy if they want to play that, as well as Scholastic, AR, and Reflex. So these are links that your students are going to need to use a lot. So I just posted them here so that that's easier. Now I also want to show you the student view. So again, just as a recap, I post every morning. They can scroll down or they can click classwork to see their assignments. Now, I'm a teacher, so I have this create button here. However, if you go in through a student view, thank you to my sister for letting me use her account, you can click classwork, and then you can click this tab that says view your work. When you click this, it will take you to all of your assignments. And that's going to be the same no matter what class you go into. So we can check out this chemistry one. Again, click classwork and then click view your work. So here are all of the assignments that my sister has to do or that she's already done. So if I go down to this first one, I can see her score. She got a 100 out of a 100 and she turned it in late. This assignment here she turned in, but her teacher didn't grade it yet. A lot of your students will probably have that marked in their account that they turned it in, but that it was not graded yet. That's fine. They did what they needed to do, and you don't have to worry about that assignment. If they turned it in and they did the assignment, they're most likely going to get a 100, as long as they did all of the assignment. If they turned it in late, just like my sister, she still got full points. I am also going to give full points. I understand schedules are totally off right now, so as long as you do the assignment, that's fantastic. Lastly, these are the assignments that she has not done yet. So these are assigned, and she can click on them. She can click View Details or go into the assignment, and then that will take her to her work. So this is due tonight at 11:59. If she does not turn this in time, then it will change from saying assigned and it will say missing. So this is a late assignment. This was due a couple weeks ago. She still hasn't turned it in. So this is late, but she can still do it. She can still go in, she can click view details, and she can still complete that assignment. So I encourage you, if something says missing, you can still complete that assignment. And like I said, I am not going to count a lot of points off for something being late. I just really want to make sure we're still getting our work done. This one does not have a due date, so it's never going to stay missing. It's never going to say missing. It will just stay at assigned. So there you go. I hope this is helpful. Again, click classwork and then click view your work, and that will show you all of the assignments that your student has done and that they still have to do, and everything is there. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that this was helpful. And again, please feel free to ask any questions, any follow-up questions. I'd be more than happy to talk to you.